Hi, CBN Middle Palaipo, Kaloi took David again, Kadol, hiding potential Lamlo.
Hello, CBN A Pastor Paul Kaloi took Patian Sarah Lamlo Frese.
Good morning, CBN A Paul Kaloi took Patian Sarah Nila Frese. CBN Praise and Worship Paul Patian Sarah Frese Longoito. CBN Nubu Palai Paul Kaloi took Patian Sarah in Lamlo Frese.
CBN Palai Paul, Pastor Paul, FEBCI, bien tu Paul, Pastor Nanza, then BCBC, then CBCI, local churches Paul, meeting guy to Paul, to President Secretary, MC Chairman, Department Head Nanza, then Seattle in Florida, MD Nanza, then Patian Tarawin Lamlo Way, second long oil too. Patian Tarawin Lamlo Way, bye bye. Bye bye.